Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is something new for me to share with you, but I wanted to share with you one of my favorite recipes. It is my grandmother's potato soup recipe, and it is so good, so I just wanted to make this video to share it with you because we have it every week. Okay, what you'll need is 5 large potatoes, about a cup of chopped yellow onions, a cup of the matchstick carrots, and chop your potatoes in chunks. And you'll want to add your potatoes and your carrots and your onions to the pot and salt and pepper to taste. You'll need to let it boil for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are soft, but at 10 minutes add your Velveeta cheese in. And you have to keep it stirred pretty often or it will stick to the bottom. So just keep stirring. And it takes about 20 minutes for the potatoes to get soft if you do the 5 large potatoes. And the 5 large potatoes usually makes enough for 4 people. And so when they get soft, you can kind of mash them a little if you prefer to. If it's a little too thick, just add a little milk to it and just stir. And here it is. And we always like to sprinkle a little of the shredded mild cheddar cheese on top of ours. And I always have cornbread baking in an iron skillet when I'm making potato soup. My grandmother always served it with cornbread, and we take the cornbread and we crumble it into our potato soup, and it is so good. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you love this potato soup as much as I do.